question you might be having is, can Tesla be day traded? The answer is yes. Another question that I would like you to ask yourself is, as a beginner, should Tesla be day traded? Normally, Tesla goes under the multi-billion to multi-trillion dollar market cap because of how it's currently trading. Normally, companies and stocks of this value don't trade how Tesla are currently trading. And the whole reason that I'm making this video is because of what happened right before the market closed. I have not touched Tesla until this point. And one of the reasons why is, as a day trader, you have to understand your pace. And what I mean by that is, when you're learning how to walk, are you going to try to keep up with Usain Bolt? No, because it just doesn't make sense. So will you bet money as you're learning how to walk that you're going to beat Usain Bolt? No, because there's completely different experience levels and you guys are at two completely different pace. The same thing when it comes down to day trading, either slower moving and more conservative stocks or more aggressive and more volatile stocks, as Tesla has been showing for the past couple of days because of this enormous demand and overall exposure that it's been getting. So the question isn't, can Tesla be day traded? Because anything in the stock market can be day traded. The question to ask yourself is, if you are a beginner, are you at a point in your life where you should be day trading something that moves as quick as Tesla? And one of the things that I want to leave you with is the why. I'm a big believer that you should have a reason behind everything it is that you do. So if you do not understand where you're buying, where you're selling, or where you're going to be cutting your losses, you have no form of plan, you have no form of understanding of the way whatever stock it is that you are potentially planning to trade, then you are not ready to take advantage. If you are asking the question, where should I buy, where should I sell? Is it time for me to cut losses? You are not ready to day trade. It doesn't mean that you should give up. It just means that you need to take a little bit more time to inform yourself about how to prepare for your next trade. So I hope that this gets you one step closer to your investing goal. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to share with someone that you think can benefit from this video. And if you would like to stay connected, we run the largest investing group on Facebook and we are one link away, and that's that first link down below. I appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.